guys, El Patronian coming from the Automotive Game Changer Conference, okay? We're over here with the Tremendous family. I don't know if you've seen them on Facebook. I know you've seen this guy's picture on Sundays or on Instagram sometimes when his face is all black with a mask on. We put him on Instagram all the time. What do you guys think of the conference so far?
Good.
Good? Chris, what do you think? Are you learning anything?
Yeah,
What are you learning?
that social media is a big game changer and like helps
Big changer?
promote your business.
Yes, promote your business, yourself as well, branding. This is what it's all about. You know, Daddy did this a year ago, and look where we are now, right? We're putting our own conference over here, and then Katie had her mission statement, which I read on stage, and that was very nice. People liked it. Okay, so we're gonna probably put that mission statement in Brooklyn Mitsubishi. All right, so from now on, so keep on going. All right, and thank you guys for the support. I know sometimes I don't have a lot of time for you guys, but you know what? We're working hard on that. Okay, so I appreciate and I love you guys being here. Okay. So on the count of three, we're gonna say, "We live, kid." 1, 2, 3.
We live, kid.
All right, guys.